Hello guys, it's Lumpia again. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this Filipino style lumpia wrapper. It's super easy and super crunchy when it's made. So this is what I made. Out of 2 cups, I'll be using 2 cups of flour. It's 43 pieces. So let's get started. So these are what we need. 2 cups of flour, and then 1 and 1/4 cup of water, and a half teaspoon of salt. So if you don't have a measuring cup, guys, you can just use actually any kind or glass or a drinking cup you have. With me, I used this cup that I'm using with water. You can just use the same cup that you use in measuring your flour, in measuring your water, so you won't get lost. Then with me, I'll be using a hand mixer, but if you don't have a hand mixer, guys, no worries. You can just use your spoon or your fork, or you can even just use your bare hands with it. So this is good enough, guys. Just make sure that it's well mixed and just add your water slowly, so you can just control it and it will look like this. Just make sure, guys, that your pan is hot enough and do it with a slow fire. See it here? So it's here in my hands. Just grab it. So it depends on how big you want your lumpia wrapper. Actually, you can put this in the fridge for like few hours because it's extra nice to make it. So just wait. Look at that. And then just grab it. See, it's not that thin, but good enough for homemade. You don't need to buy anymore, and it's cheaper and it's nicer, especially when you're here abroad. The wrapper that you can usually buy here in the supermarket is just the wrapper made by other Asian countries. So it's not cooked this way, made this way. So see, it's so nice, guys. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you on my next one.